Going 4-2-3-1, this formation has been popular in recent years and allows teams to use the space on the pitch.
Now De Bruyne.
It's Messi with the ball.
Is this the moment? What a well-timed tackle.
They're ahead in the final, just what the fans wanted.
Let's have a look at that one again.
It's now Saliba. Hakimi with his great run. He can't miss.
Keeper glad to see that one go wide.
That goal attempt went wide. The keeper will be relieved. Anticipated by the keeper. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. The referee calls play back for an offside.
And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was.
He's flicked it forward. Perfectly executed. Good defending now. Ronaldo, instinctive save.
Oh, well intercepted.
Finds his teammate.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is a...
Oh, there's no stopping that.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
Now Di Marco. He steps up to steal the ball. Poor attempt to win the ball. Foden with a great run. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it.
Great headed goal there. He really got behind that one and gave the goalkeeper absolutely no chance.
Here's Koulibaly. And it's Ronaldo.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
Well, the fans thought he'd scored, but it's into the side netting. Goal kick. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Neymar. An outstanding header. He's scored a brace. Let's take another look at that. The fans applaud as they leave the pitch. They're leading in the final. The excitement and nerves will be kicking in.
It's 3-1. Lots of goals. But can the losing team take control of this second half? Well read.
That's gone out for a corner.
Well cut out.
It's a tactical change here then. And it's back to the keeper.
He's got the goal in his sights.
Ronaldo! 2 goals today from this exciting player. Now Di Marco. Great dribbling. They're struggling to string their passes together. Headed forward. What a chance! It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Fantastic goal to make up the player's hat-trick. He's in fine form. Subs are coming on and changes are being made. Hakimi. Well, a great performance from the winning team. They fully deserve to be lifting that trophy. Oh, well timed. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. It's in for Ronaldo. That was his 4th goal. The opposition can't cope with him. And the manager's making a change here. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Now Di Marco. It's Messi with the ball. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. A neat finish.
He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a rout.
The board is up and new players coming on. Hakimi. Foden. He dribbles the ball forward. Surely now. Ronaldo. What a goal. He didn't need any help from his teammates. They played the best and beaten them.